In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use the find and replace feature in your text editor to quickly update documents. This is a great skill to have, especially when working with large amounts of text, as it saves a significant amount of time and effort. So, let's dive right in. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. This will give you access to the various editing tools available. Look for the Edit option in this menu. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down list of various commands designed to help you modify your document. From this list, you'll want to focus on the Find and Replace function, which is a powerful tool for making widespread changes. You'll typically find this under Find and Replace. For those of you who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also access this feature by pressing Ctrl plus H on Windows or Command plus Shift plus H on a Mac. Using shortcuts is a great way to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow, so consider incorporating them into your daily routine. Once you select Find and Replace, a dialog box will pop up, usually in the center or top of your screen. This box is where the magic happens. In the field marked Find, type in the exact word or phrase you are looking to change. This feature is quite precise, so it's important to enter the accurate term you need to find within the document. Right under that, you'll see a section labeled Replace With. Here, you'll enter the new word or phrase that you want to appear in place of the old one. Make sure it's spelled correctly and is exactly what you want to insert throughout your document. Now that you have both the Find and Replace fields completed, it's time to decide how you want to apply these changes. You have a couple of options here. If you click on Replace, it will change only the current instance of the word that is highlighted in your document. This is useful if you want to inspect each instance before deciding whether it should be changed. On the other hand, if you click Replace All, it will automatically update every occurrence of the word or phrase throughout the entire document. This is ideal if you're confident and want to implement the change globally all at once. And that's it! You've now learned how to use the Find and Replace feature efficiently, which can be a real game changer when handling large documents. It allows for consistency and accuracy across your text, ensuring that updates are made swiftly. Feel free to revisit these instructions as often as needed until you're comfortable. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing!